Time for some more Hornet, baby. Baby Hornet this time. That Hornet, elevator servo gave out. Kind of sucks because I really enjoy flying that plane. But it's good that it happened on the ground and not in the air. So, still got a little bit of a cross, but it's barely blowing. So let's go have some fun.
Throttle cut. Normal mode. Take off flat.
This is a 6S30C 4000 pack. Notice that the plane still flies incredible with this pack. Not about the C rating, it's about the load. This load is a little below 60 amps. So the discharge rating for this pack being a 30C 4000, that's 120 amps. Nowhere near that. So don't get caught up in that high C for EDFs malarkey. This thing's still doing like 120 miles an hour minus 120 miles an hour with a 30C pack. So that's watch her go.
Timer cleared. Gear up, flaps up.
And I still get a solid 4 minutes. Battery comes down not even warm, so. Since it's a lighter pack too, it gets a little better vertical. So, as long as you do things right, you don't have to worry about it. Sure, high C will give you more punch. Will actually give you a slightly higher amp draw too, since there's less resistance. So, and when you have more amps going out, that means the battery depletes sooner. So, it may not be a lot, but it is sooner. Since it's hard to see on hat cam, I'm going to try to keep this thing close. Of course, right now that's not close, but this is. Look how well this thing flies in tight quarters. I'm staying within the runway boundaries here.
Time remaining 1 minute.
So let's slow it down a little bit. Come around, do some touch and goes. Gotta fly over the sun, so come around this way. Got a crosswind, so I won't fight it. I'll just let the plane do what it wants. leave the gear down because I'll do at least one more of those. Try to get around quick.
Landing.
Flaps this time and cut over the sun.
10, 9, 8,
Yeah,
7,
flaps up.
flaps up. 6,
Flaps that were flipped over. There we go. So I was thinking about doing another touch and go, but nah,
3,
just come in.
2, 1. Time expired.
This thing is so much fun. Oh my god, it's old. It's a couple years old now. Been through 3 different EDF setups. But it's super fun. And again, that's a 30C pack. 4 solid minutes. Plenty of power left. So no, you don't need high C packs. You just got to know how to balance you got to find the balance between discharge rate, weight, and capacity. So when you use capacity more than you do C rating, so you know, like I could even go a little higher if I wanted to do a 20C 5000, that would work in here. I mean, you know, it's cutting close, but still, it could do it. Or 25C 5000, that would work. But you know, you have to make sure that the weight and everything balances out. So this is a lighter pack than my 40C, but these come down when I land. They're actually happier than the 40Cs because the 40Cs just give out way more power, and when that happens, you're actually losing capacity sooner. So anyway, just the way I do it, and you see how well it flies on 30C. So if you've got something that's not a crazy amp hog, you don't have to get a crazy high C pack to make it work. It's always better to use capacity over C rating. So anyway, lesson from the Gooniac. All right, that's it.